Was in the construction industry and saw a need for a maintenance provider for mid-market companies, and was going to just go at it alone. Came across Citywide on the internet of all places, and through our due diligence realized that they had a beautiful concept that partnered janitorial and maintenance work together, and jumped in. We were actually franchise number 3 at the time, so taking a huge leap of faith with the organization. So we're in a very unique space. We don't have a ton of very direct competition that's doing the work that we do. So as you start to look at different franchise opportunities or different opportunities in the space, you quickly realize that that's one of the uniquenesses, is the fact that we do everything from start to finish. And it's all a la carte, so our clients don't have to use this for every one of the services that we provide. They can use this for 3 or 4, they can use this for 20. It's really up to them. There's a low point of entry in that you don't have to purchase equipment, you don't have to purchase trucks, you don't have to purchase a ton of other items to get your office started because you're simply managing. We're a general contractor for the maintenance industry, and we obviously are focused on building our teams around that space and don't have a lot of large capital expenditures to start the business, so we're even ongoing. You need to be prepared to hustle. This is not an easy industry. It's not a glamorous industry. I've tucked my tie in many times and stuck my hand in the toilet to get the toilet clean. I've gotten my hands dirty tearing drywall down many times. So you need to be prepared for that. But as you grow, you get further and further away from that. As I think any owner that gets involved in this business would want to see that the first couple of years is really, really hard work. But if you follow the staffing guidelines that the franchisor sets out, you follow the business model in the way that it was intended, you're going to be successful, you're going to grow quickly, and you're going to get further and further away from that.